Ngiyabona lempahla leyivele edlozini indlela yokuthi abaphansi babe nathi unkosinathi. So they named the flashlight to our unkosinathi, which means God is with us. So baqala ukuthandaza, praying to the flashlight. Bayibiza umveli nqangi, which means God. Because of the flashlight, they believe that the gods are with them. Lately they didn't know ukuthi izophela ibhetri lempahla le. Kwasolwa umuntu lo beseduze nayo ngaleso sikhathi. Kuthiwa unedemon, ukwathisa abaphansi. You want to know what happened next? Find out on the next episode of The Gods Must Be Crazy. Ubulele unkosinathi. Ngembulale kanjani mina ngizange ngimthinte. Umthintile. Angimthintanga bengihambela. Wekwahla umlilo. Kuzochitheka kwasambufana. Hey, awume bodla intuthu.
This is our chance, my son. Attack!
Torch iphela ibhetri. Just like any other torch would. But uyazi, there has to be someone to blame. Yeah, ngiyabona. Umbulali. The Nguni people are so sad to hear that the divine creature brought to them by the gods was killed by these unholy men. Sizodlala umdlalo. Ngizokubuza umbuzo. Impendulo enye nenye isangene ehamba nesibhaqa. Bodla umlilo. Ungaqala umshaye. Ngiyambuza uyaphendula uyamthinta azame umbulalelani unkosinathi angizange ngimbulale.
Bana
Umbulale ngani unkosinathi? Angizange. Umbulale kanjani unkosinathi? Wawubhemeni mhla umbulala? Usithathaphi isibindi? Wagcina nini ukushaya indlwabu? We magwazagwaza, wena magwaza ingulu. Ngiyaqolisa ukuphazamisa ndaba ezitha. Khona lempahla engiyificile lapha esigangeni. Bonakala ngathi kukhona abanye abantu abaphila emva kwelwandle. Babonakala bejabulile. Akukwazi ithi abantu kuphela. Unkosinathi awulethe leyo mpahla ngibone. Ya kumele siwele ulwandle. Asikaze salwela ulwandle. Baba bethu abakazi balwela ulwandle. Ngisho nomkhulu bethu abakazi balwela ulwandle. Ngithi mina solwela ulwandle. Masifika sibathathele bonke unkosinathi babo. Kuzokhanya lonke leliqeke. Abantu bajabula. Abuzwa phela ukuthi they will go beyond the ocean, something they never done before. Even their ancestors has never done it before. So you wanna know what happened next? Find out on the next episode of The Gods Must Be Crazy. Bodla umlilo.
This is our chance, my son. Attack!
I'm coming back, I'm coming strong. I'm dancing to a different song. The past and me don't get along. I got the gift of moving on.